Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised. Are you listening to me? Department Secretary, Defense, Lorenzana. Are you listening to me? Ganon din yung ikaw, AFP Chief of Staff, General Anyo. And about you, Bato, General Bato. Come on. Puro patawa ka na lang, puro ka na lang kiyaw-kiyaw eh. Where's the police? Saan yung intel kung meron man? It must be coming from the community. Have you really won the confidence and the heart of the community to work with you? To mitigate, yung sinasabi natin dito, etong the movement, if not mitigate terrorism and the terror groups or terror acts of anyone. Eh mga boss, doon mo makikita. Ang dami ho kasing kiyaw-kiyaw. It's about time na ako ho dito, kinakailangan ho rito restructure. We have to re-examine and revisit where did we go wrong. Ikaw naman ba to? Trabahuin mo na, hindi na puro ewan natin, baka malayo pang eleksyon, gusto mo mag-senador. Magagalit sa akin to. Ikaw naman, sabi nga ni Tul Erwin, si Anyo, atat na na-e-ebs ka na, gusto mo nang umupo sa DILG. Ngayon pa lang dito, nagkaka-leche-leche na. At ang pagsasalita naman itong si Lorenzana, nag-ipit sa kanya sa alanganin. Sa sobra kasi, next time ikaw, Lorenzana, itong dapat mong malaman, more talk, more mistake. Less talk, less mistake. No talk. You're stupid and you're not supposed to be there. So the next time, when you talk, you better understand what you're saying. Do not open your mouth impromptu. And sometimes it doesn't have any meaning at all, doesn't have any substance. That's exactly what happened to you. You put the situation in a further screw up. General Anyo. Lapit-lapit ka ba sa DILG? Tutulo-tulo naman laway mo. Ikaw na Lorenzana. Magsusunod na magsalita ka nga. Baka mahambalos ka ng presidente natin eh. Ikaw naman si Bato. Ano bang papel mo sa Russia? Gusto mo lang makita si Putin? Kung mga tao mo, inaayos mo, kita mo si Anyo ang magpapatino sa iyo, General Bato. Alam mo bakit sinabi? Kung ikay, General Bato, nakikinig dito sa akin, huwag ka magagalit sa akin. Ako'y magsasalita. Sabi nga ni Tul Erwin, kaibigan, hindi naman ako lapit sa iyo eh. Ganito, General Bato. Read between lines sa sinasabi ng Pangulo noon pa. Kaya niya kinuha yan si Anyo na talagang, kumbaga, atat nang umupo sa pagka-DILG, kaya siguro nawawala na yung focus, sabi ni Tul Erwin. Hindi naman siguro kasi gusto niya pa magpa-extend. Kaya lang sinasabi ni President Duterte, no, you have to assume by next month. Alam mo bang ibig sabihin ng General Bato? Kaya ka ba sumasama doon sa Russia? Para Para bubulong ka? Susulsul ka?